Well, we're out here at Maribel Caves County Park. It's January 16, 2024. About 3 days after the big snowstorm, which was also a blizzard. We got about 12 inches of snow in Appleton area. And I think they got around 14 or more here in Manitowoc. They said it's going to be about a high of 2 and low of -2, but the car said -7 on the way here to the park. The wind chill, I think they said it's around -26, -27. Thought we'd check out the mystery caves, but since I'm here, might as well take a look at the sink. Oh yeah, she's drifted in pretty good. We didn't quite get it done, but yeah, I don't know why it cut out on me. Maybe the cold. It doesn't like the cold probably, so I'll have to keep checking it. But let's go down by the boardwalk and see what we might see. Now that we got the snow, we'll be able to start burning some of these piles up. Got that one there, that one over there, one back there to the right of the car. So yeah, it's cold, but as long as you keep moving. Looks like someone was out here snowshoeing. Some deer tracks. Other than that, there doesn't look like too many people have been here to the park since the storm, you know, like I say, 3 days ago. Well, let's see, we got some tracks here. That might just, no, that's just that same snowshoer, I think. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Well, we're down by the boardwalk where the mystery caves are. No one's been down here for a good 3 days since the storm. First tracks, and we do have steam coming out quite a bit, and a lot of feather frost, obviously. And up there by Cave of Treasure, same thing, steam, lots of it too. You don't really see anything else along here. There's a boardwalk. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's bellowing out of there pretty heavy. The GoPro does not like the cold. It shuts off on me. But here we have the feather frost. Steam is coming out of there. And looking up there, you can see a little more by Cave of Treasures. Let's go up there, take a look. What do we got? A tree. Huh. We got a branch that fell down in the way of the trail here. Cedar. Oh, that heavy wet snow.